No matter what season it is, there always seems to be a need for a backpack blower. Grass clippings, leaf cleanup, or snow removal, this week's feature product provides the power you need to get the job done all year round. Introducing the M18 Fuel dual battery backpack blower from Milwaukee. The go-to for professional landscapers and maintenance workers are gas-powered backpack blowers, as they offer the most blowing power and are quick to start. Well, not anymore, my friends. Utilizing just 2 M18 batteries, the brushless motor attains full force under 1 second, reaching 650 cubic feet per minute and 155 miles per hour, more than what 60cc gas power can get you. Since there's no engine on board, vibration is vastly reduced, there's no exhaust smell to make you lightheaded, and it hums along at a comparatively quiet 62 decibels. The unit is also fully customizable with adjustable straps, a telescoping nozzle, and you can even slide the trigger handle without any tools to match your arm length. So anyone on the crew can throw this on and get to work in comfort. Now, you might be concerned that the battery life won't last long enough to clear the sidewalks of snow or the lawns of leaves, but worry not, because this puppy can be equipped with up to 4 M18 batteries. So you can juice up for the big jobs or lighten the load for quick cleanups. So let's blow this gas-powered relics out of the way and get some real work done with this week's feature product. The M18 Fuel dual battery backpack blower from Milwaukee. Still living in the past with your gas-powered blower? Let us know why in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe so you can keep up with our weekly uploads. Have a great Canadian day.